Dear students, this is Social Science Part 1, Unit 2 video. Hello children, today's topic is Towards History. What is the name of the topic children? Towards History. In this topic, today we are going to see about what is history, what is chronological order, what is BC, what is AD, who is an archaeologist and who is an historian. Before we start the chapter, let me ask you one thing. Do you ever look at your old family photos? Yes, right? Do you think we should keep these photos safely? If yes, why? Let me tell you. Because it helps us to know about our family history. So, when you find out about past events of your family by looking at your old family picture, you are learning your family history, right? So, like our family history, we also have the world history. Let us know what is history. What is history, children? History is the study of the past in the chronological order. What is history? History is the study of the past events in the chronological order. The term chronology is used to express the historical events in respect of dates and years in the order of their occurrence. What is chronological order? The term chronological order is used to express the historical events in respect of dates and years in the order of their occurrence. So the events happened before the birth of Jesus Christ are counted backwards and written as BC or BCE, that is before Christ or before Common Era. So the year after his birth is written as AD or CE, that is Anno Domini or Common Era. Now, children, do you know the people who help us to know history? The people who helped us to know history are archaeologists and historians. Now, who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who digs up places to find clues about the people of the past. Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who digs up places to find clues about the people of the past. Very good. Now, who is an historian? Historian is a person who uses the sources dug out by the archaeologist to find out about the past. Who is an historian? Historian is a person who uses the sources dug out by the archaeologist to find out about the past. Good. Both archaeologists and historians have common interest and are equally important. They cannot work without each other. Both are like detectives. They have conclusions from clues and evidences. Now, I am going to recall the content thought. What is history, children? History is the study of the past in the chronological order. What is BC? BC means before Christ or before Common Era. What is AD? AD means Anno Domini or Common Era. Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is a person who digs up places to find clues about the people of the past. Who is an historian? Historian is a person who uses the sources dug out by the archaeologist to find out about the past. Museum. Museum is a place where objects which are rare and used by our ancestors are preserved. It is a place of collection of artifacts. Children, what is artifacts? Artifacts are the things that archaeologists find during excavation, like potteries, coins, ornaments, stone beads, stone tools, and weapons used by our early humans. Other objects of artistic, cultural, historical, or scientific things are also collected and kept in museum. Mostly excavated objects, that is things which are collected under the surface of earth by the archaeologists, are preserved in museum. Many public museums make these items available for public view through exhibition. There are many types of museums, including art museum, natural history museum, science museum, war museum, and children museum. Our historical evidences are preserved only by this museum. This is Saraswati Mahal Museum. Saraswati Mahal Museum is a manuscript museum in Tanjavur. Kutis, if you have museum in your place, please do visit it and take hints about everything. Thank you. We will meet in the next class. Bye.